Hey YouTube. So I'm thinking about starting a new series. I might call it Words with Wes, something like that, I don't know, but basically it's just going to be more of a vlog style series, and what I'm hoping it will be is a resource. I get emails and private messages almost daily asking me questions about my builds, or questions that are similar to my build but somebody's doing of their own. And you know, I don't mind replying to them, but it is hard to spend a lot of time replying to messages that only answer one person, whereas a forum like this, I could answer one question that could maybe help many people. So what I'd like to do is have a conversation to where, for instance, in this video, if you have any questions that you want answered, you post it in the comments, and then when I do the next one, I'll talk about that, and we'll go, you know, see how that works, keep going forward with it. A couple things I also want to talk about are upcoming projects, or things that I'm currently working on. Like currently right now I'm working on organizing the wood shop and the mechanics portion of my workshop, and I just coming from Harbor Freight right now buying some more organizers. I realized that as you organize stuff and separate them, it takes a lot more space to organize them that way. I've always had this dream of having my shop be similar to a hardware store, to where when I need something, I need a 5/16 inch and a half long bolt, I go right to the place where they're at and I grab it. And also I can see I'm getting low, the next time I'm at the store I can get some more. And so it's something I'm working on right now, and hopefully we can make that happen. Another thing I'm working on at the moment is we're remodeling our house. We have been for years. It's kind of the old saying, a cobbler's kid has no shoes. Well, a carpenter's wife never has a finished house. So I'm doing some build-ins. We're getting ready to have a custom-built kitchen made. I was originally going to build it myself. That has now since changed. If people are interested in that, I could do a segment talking about what led me to hire somebody else to build my custom kitchen, even though I used to build custom kitchens myself. We're also getting ready to start our master bathroom. The master bathroom and kitchen are the only two things that haven't been finished. We have gutted this house, and the kitchen's being worked on now, and the master bedroom or bathroom will be the next thing. So it's just an empty room right now that's roughed in. So we're going to be working on that. Another big project that we're looking at is my Land Cruiser. I'm working with some manufacturers right now. I'd like to do a full build on it over the winter, do a whole series on building the Land Cruiser. Bumpers, sliders, lift, new rims and tires, get it looking nice. Build a really nice drawer system in it that is set up specifically for me. Something that looks factory built or really well made. So, you know, got a lot of things on the horizon. Another thing I'd like to talk about, and it's something I'd really like to have some opinions on, because it's something I've not been a fan of in the past. So I have a Patreon account. As of right now, I've done absolutely nothing with it. I made the account probably a year or more ago, and other than link it in a description here or there, that's all I've done, and I haven't put anything on it. I've had people ask me, you know, why I don't, and you know, if I, you know, put one argument. I've had people ask me why I don't put stuff on there, and if I'm going to. I want to know what your thoughts are. I've thought about it, you know, doing more videos like this where it's talking and having more of an interaction with the core audience that likes that kind of stuff. But I don't know. I don't want to put any effort into something that nobody wants. And I know there can be a bad stigma with Patreon. But the fact is, right now what I do on YouTube is about a video a month. I'd like to get that to 2 videos a month, but you know, if I was going to do Patreon, I would probably start upping that and doing more, you know, things like this that are time consuming, but it would be worth the time. I don't know, just give me your thoughts. Give me pros, cons, if you think it's a good idea, bad idea. Also, tell me what your thoughts are on this type of video. You know, this is a video that I can, you know, make easily 1 or 2 a week, where we just talk about stuff. Some people don't like talking videos, my plan is to make it obvious that's what it is in the title, so if people don't want to watch it, they can just skip it. But I'd really be interested in hearing, your thoughts. I'm hoping this is a video that gets a lot of comments, so I don't expect to get a lot of views. I only expect a few hundred views at the most, but I'm really hoping to get some comments so I can find out what my core audience likes. Because the fact is that the few hundred people that watch this are more than likely my core audience. 30,000 subscribers means very little. It's you don't get 30,000 views on every video if you have 30,000 subscribers, and a very small portion of your views actually come from your subscriber list, which is a well-known thing, but it's still surprising to me. So leave your comments, tell me what you think about this, tell me if you like videos like this, if you'd like to have more of it, like to know what's going on, like to be kept more up to date with what's going on in Shawnee Hill's workshop. But that'll be it for now.